Hey guys, so we've got the GWM roller shutter here from Ozbest Steels. If you guys want to come have a look, this is the manual version. As you can see, all you got to do is open that up, and then you unlock this, and it's got 3 locking positions. And then you got to lock it. Once it's locked, close this up, and away you go. We're going to have 2 different styles. So one's going to be with the cutout for the sports bar, and one's going to be without. If you need the one without and you want to put your sports bar on later, you're going to have to modify it and cut it to suit. But other than that, if you're not going to put your sports bar back on, you can get the one without the cutout holes. This one's without the cutout holes, so what the customer's done, he's just modified it to make it work. If you want to come around here and just show them the finish, real sturdy design, and just show them how it fits up perfectly. And that's it. So that's the roller shutter for the GWM from Ozbest Steels for the Cobra 4x4. Thanks guys.